up? It has to be 9 o'clock, and I just got my hair in the mail. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing before we get into it. I guess it's all over this, but I'm gonna just try to open it. Look at the packaging. It comes so nice. Like it's bubble wrapped to the max. I'm so good. Okay. Let us begin. I know how to open it. I'm gonna tell you guys what I got. Oh, it came with lashes. Okay. I got the Isee Hair Princess Edition. I got a 14-inch bob. Oh, and it comes with a wing. I said wing. Sorry, it's early. I'm kind of hungry. But it comes with like a wig cap. But I might buy my own. I gotta see. And it comes with an elastic band. So I'm gonna definitely use this to lay down my baby hairs, or if the wig doesn't like fit. Okay. It feels really good. This is longer than I thought. I'm gonna actually have to cut this because I don't want it this long. I got a 4x6-inch frontal. Okay, so I need to go out and get some bleach. I need to get some Got To Be Glue gel. I have this spray already. But yeah, so let's just go shopping real quick. Like, come on. Just put something on. Come on, dang. Okay, so they wouldn't let me record in there, but I got what I needed at the end of the day. And I'm about to go home, braid my hair, and then show y'all step by step what I'm finna do. So let's go. Okay, so I'm bleaching right now. This joint is tearing my eyes up, my nose up. Please don't mind me. But I made sure like the bleach is thick enough so it doesn't seep in. But hopefully it turns out okay, because to be honest, I didn't even start a timer, so I don't know how this is gonna go, if I'm gonna be honest. Sinuses are weird. If I sound mucusy, it's not because I have corona, it's just because the bleach entered my sinuses. But I did braid back my hair. Call me peanut head if you want to. Words do not hurt me. And that's on what? Period. I'm back. So after I went shopping, I put my dookie braids in. I ain't gonna show y'all right now. My head shaped a little weird. But then I started bleaching the knots, right? And I over bleached that. But we still finna put it on. I'm gonna fix the coloring part tomorrow. But just ignore it, you know, just ignore it. It's my first wig. I'm not even like a wig person. Like, I'm all natural. Like, if you know me, I'm all natural. But I wanted to try it out, try new things, period. So let's get started. Okay, so someone told me that this makes it lay better. So I'm about to just grab, I'm gonna use this. And we're just gonna put it along the edges of my hair. So, okay. I'm nervous. I hope this don't take my edges away. Okay, here we go. Okay, so now I'm gonna just like blow dry it down. Make sure it like, I guess that it's laid. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing here, honestly. Let's just get to it. I don't know what's gonna happen after I do this, but this is dangerous. So I had to do that off camera because that was like a dangerous job. So I try to cut as much as possible, but now I'm going to use this product. I don't know if you can see it. I'm about to put this on the edge. So they said don't touch it with your finger. I'm gonna use my finger. I really don't care. But when it's drying, I won't use my fingers. But I want to make sure that the edge is like laid. Hey, I was supposed to put on the foundation. All right, let's start this over. I'm telling you, I don't know what I'm doing. What is this?
Oh my God! What is this?
Oh, this is cute. It's like a little. Okay. Anywho, I'm gonna just put it in the middle, and I'm gonna put it in the side just in case I want to switch to a side part. Hopefully this matches my skin color. I can only do this in the beauty supply, like compare it. So hopefully this works. I just put gel on. I don't know if it's gonna go on top of it. So I'm gonna just try it and see. Yeah, let's try it on. So I'm gonna just put it on the back of my head first. And I'm gonna cut the slits part, and I saw it on YouTube videos. So I'm gonna just cut this side. So now I'm just gonna tack it in the front. And they be doing this, they just put their comb in it and like pressing down. I need to watch some more YouTube videos. Okay, so I'm just gonna spray against here and just like comb into it. I don't know, someone said this makes it lay down. We'll try it. We're just supposed to comb into it.
Section by section, since I don't really know what I'm doing.
So basically, I just did the whole parameter of my edges. So I'm about to cut this whatever fabric piece off. So it's okay, it's just mad thick for no reason. Like, I'm about to straighten it and maybe cut it and see what happens. But I'm gonna just go straighten it real quick, and then I'll show you guys what the look is. It is what it is at this point. Probably wasting my money. I don't know. Okay, so I straightened it. It just needs something, maybe a little plucking. Okay guys, so this is the next day. I'm sorry, I just cut the recording out because honestly I was hating the hairstyle. So I put in flexi rods and I'm gonna see how that turns out. So I'm gonna take these out real quick, and if you want a tutorial on how to do flexi rods, just comment in the comment section below. Okay, so I just took it out and I'm just gonna like brush through it just to make the curls a little softer. So for the hair itself, I would give it like a 9. It hasn't given me any shedding, and I washed, blow dried, deep conditioned, everything to the hair. But the frontal, I don't know if it's just me, my first time, but I struggled to lay this down. I don't think you should struggle that much. I don't know, that's just me, but I did my best. I have to pluck a little bit more, But the hair itself is like really nice, I would say. But I will come back in a month and let you guys know how the hair is going and all that stuff. But yeah, this is the end of the video. It was a fail, a L. So yeah, I'm never getting a wig again. I just want to let y'all know, never getting it again. Never, ever, 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 ever again. And that's okay. Or unless I go to a hairstylist, but yeah, nah, I don't think it's for me. I don't think it is. Okay guys, so that was the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and put on the post notifications so you know when I'm posting videos. And yeah, this is the look. My first wig. Get at me. Get at me. I can finally do this. Ooh. Wait, what did you say? Oh, sorry, huh?
She can do it all.